Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Yesterday we learned the poem Once I Saw a Little Bird. Do you learn the poem? Poem learn की आपने? Yes or no? Okay, very good. आप तो बहुत अच्छे बच्चे बन गए हो. Okay, let's revise the poem once again. What is in this poem? In this poem, there was a boy who saw a little bird came in his window. Okay, at that time he shared his experience and he shared his feeling with us. How did he feel at that time when the bird came in his window? Okay, what the boy say? The boy say, once I saw a little bird. Once upon a time, I saw a little bird came in my window and he hopped. How he hopped? What is mean by hop? Hop means jump up and down. Okay. The bird came in his window and he start hopping. After that the boy cried loudly. What he say? Hey little bird, will you stop? Will you wait for me? Will you stop there for some time? Then the boy ran to the window. Why he ran to the window? He wanted to ask the bird, how do you do? How are you, bird? Are you fine or not? To ask this question, the boy ran to the window. But what happened? But the little bird shook his little tail and he flew away. He didn't wait for the boy. Okay, this is the whole poem. Today we are going to see the new words. Okay, see. Unit 4, Lesson A, Poem A. Once I saw a little bird. Before that, today is Friday. Today's date is 4th of September 2020. New words. First, ONCE, once. Once means एक बार. Once upon a time. एक बार. एक समय की बात है. Like that. Second, SAW, saw. It is a past form of see. ये सी का पास्ट फॉर्म है. सी मतलब देखना. HOP, हॉप. हॉप मीन्स जंप. CRIED, क्राइड. क्राइड मीन्स चिल्लाना, जोर से चिल्लाना. STOP, स्टॉप. स्टॉप मीन्स रुकना, स्टैंड स्टिल. विंडो, WINDOW, विंडो. विंडो मीन्स a space in the wall forward to come sunshine and air in our home or in our house. It is a space to come sunshine and air to keep our house fresh. Okay, it is called window यानी कि खिड़की. SHOOK, shook. What is mean by shook? Shook means हिलाना. Okay, AWAY. Sorry, this spelling is wrong. Sorry for the mistake. This spelling is AWAY. Away. Away मतलब दूर जाना, go far. FLEW, flew. Flew मतलब उड़ जाना. This is also the past form of fly. Fly मतलब उड़ना, flew मतलब उड़ जाना या फिर उड़ गया. Okay, children, you have to write this in your notebook. Now see the next. Write two rhyming words. Here some words are given. We have to write there two rhyming words. Okay. The first one is COME, come. So their rhyming words are SOME, some, GUM, gum. Now see children, these both the spellings are different, but only their sounds are similar. Their ending sounds are similar. That's why they are the rhyming words of come. Come, some, gum, isn't it? Okay, very good. Second, HOP, hop. POP, pop. MOP, mop. Hop, pop, mop. Third, SHOOK, shook. LOOK, look. TOOK, took. Shook, look, took. Fourth number, FLEW, flew. BLEW, blew. CHEW, chew. Flew, blew, chew. Okay. TAIL, tail. NAIL, nail. MAIL, mail. Tail, nail, mail. Got it, children? रिवाइज इट वंस अगेन. राइट टू राइमिंग वर्ड्स. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं, उनके हमें दो दो राइमिंग वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट नंबर कम, तो उसके दो राइमिंग वर्ड क्या लिखे हमने? सम, गम. कम, सम, गम. अभी देखो चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ पे सम और गम दोनों के भी स्पेलिंग अलग अलग है, फिर भी ये राइमिंग वर्ड्स है. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके एंडिंग साउंड सेम है. ओके, इसलिए दीज ऑल आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स. कम, some, gum. Second one is hop, HOP, hop. Hop, pop, mop. Third, shook, look, took. Fourth, flew, blew, chew. Fifth, tail, nail, mail. Tail, nail, mail. Now see the next. Write the opposites of the following words. क्या करना है हमें? यहाँ पे ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. नाउ सी फर्स्ट, BIG, बिग. बिग ऑपोजिट स्मॉल. बिग यानी कि बड़ा, बड़े का उल्टा क्या होगा? छोटा. छोटे को हम क्या कहते हैं? स्मॉल. इसलिए बिग ऑपोजिट स्मॉल. सेकेंड वन, गो ऑपोजिट कम. गो इट मीन्स जाना, उसका जाने का उल्टा क्या होगा? आना. आने को हम क्या कहते हैं? कम. इसलिए गो ऑपोजिट कम. थर्ड वन, क्वाइट. QUIET, क्वाइट ऑपोजिट नॉइजी. क्वाइट यानी कि चुपचाप, तो उसका उल्टा क्या होगा? क्वाइट यानी कि शांत, उसका उल्टा क्या होगा? शोर. ओके, तो शोर को हम क्या कहते हैं? नॉइजी कहते हैं. क्वाइट ऑपोजिट नॉइजी. फोर्थ वन, नियर ऑपोजिट फार. नियर मतलब पास, पास का उल्टा क्या होगा? दूर. दूर को हम क्या कहते हैं? फार. इसलिए नियर ऑपोजिट फार. गॉट इट? सी वंस अगेन. बिग ऑपोजिट स्मॉल. गो ऑपोजिट कम. से विथ मी. क्वाइट ऑपोजिट नॉइजी. नियर ऑपोजिट फार. See it carefully. Okay. Now just move towards. Now see the next. Insert the missing letters to complete the words. Here some words are given but their letters are missing. We have to insert the missing letters. We have to insert the proper letters and complete the word. Okay. See. L-T-E. कौन सा वर्ड फॉर्म होगा? हमें यहाँ पे क्या डालना पड़ेगा? LITTLE. तो कौन सा वर्ड बना? लिटिल. LITTLE, लिटिल. ओके. सेकेंड, C-ED. We have to insert the letter CRIED. तो क्या बन गया? CRIED, cried. WI-O. WINDOW. It will form WINDOW, window. Okay. Then T-L. T-A-I-L, T-A-I-L, tell. H-P, H-O-P, H-O-P, hope. Then S dash dash P, it will be S T O P, S T O P, stop. S dash O dash K, S H O O K, S H double O K. Then dash L dash W, F L E W, F L E W. To understand these missing letters, you have to learn the new words. अगर आपको मिसिंग लेटर्स आने चाहिए, आपको लगता है मुझे मिसिंग लेटर्स आने चाहिए, तो उसके लिए आपको मैं जो न्यू वर्ड्स देती हूँ वो आपको लर्न करने पड़ेंगे. अगर वो वर्ड्स आपको लर्न होंगे तभी आप ये मिसिंग लेटर्स लिख पाएंगे. अगर आपको वर्ड ही लर्न नहीं होंगे तो आप इसमें कैसे लेटर्स फिल करेंगे, कर पाएंगे? नो. So the main thing is, the important thing is, you have to learn the new words which I gave you. Okay, of every chapter of or every chapter and every poem. Okay, this is your today's homework as well as class work. See it carefully. Okay, this is enough for today. Thank you. Bye bye and have a nice day.